Now students, I already said these Mahajanapadas often fought among themselves for supremacy. Then these continuous struggle led them to rise the four powerful states. Among these 16, first the four states became more powerful: Avanti, Vatsa, Koshala and Magadha. And I told that already. Magadha eventually became the most strongest kingdom, most powerful kingdom among them. And why Magadha was different and how Magadha became powerful we will discuss, but we will discuss about the main characteristics of these Mahajanapadas. These Mahajanapadas had standing army, that means permanent professional army, that means they have regular soldiers, and the soldiers were given salaries in punch marked coins, or we can say stamped. Let us see this kind of coins. Now you can see these were stamps on the molded metal piece. These were punched and these coins were made. You can see these coins, these signs, these carried the signs of particular Mahajanapadas, and for different Mahajanapadas different signs were used in different areas, different style of coins were presented. Now you can see this is the reverse side, this is the obverse side. You can see that these were made by punch, that's why these are coined punched marked coins, or we can say stamped coins. By pressure these shapes were created, and this is the opposite side, you can understand. And these signs, there are four signs in this coin. These signs were to show the signs of the kingdoms from which Mahajanapada these coins belonged. So you can see, students, these were the punched marked coins. Now the taxation system, the taxes were collected in cash or kind. Cash means in coins and kind means in crops. Taxes were used to maintenance of army, administration and public welfare. You know that modern day also our government, they do the same thing. They collect tax from us and these taxes are used for the development of the common people. Now the farmers pay 1/6 of their total production to as tax, and the craftsmen and herders paid taxes in the kind. So that means 1/6 of their total income was to be given to the government or to the king as tax, and the craftsmen and the herders paid taxes in kind. So these were the main features of Mahajanapadas, and in our next class we will discuss about that how Magadha was different from all the other Mahajanapadas.